My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 45. In this lecture, we will try to understand demonstration of host discovery using ICMP sweep. So first turn on your Kali Linux and your Metasploitable 2 machines. Check IP configurations of both machines. How can I check IP configuration? This is my Kali Linux system if config. Just see, we type this particular command. This is if config command, so that I will get IP address. What is the IP address of Kali Linux system? This is 10. My IP address of Kali Linux system is 10.45.33.245. Isn't it? In similar manner, I must also check for Metasploitable 2. This is my Metasploitable 2 mission. What is its IP address? Just see this. We already discussed how to install Metasploitable 2. Just see, this is Meta 2. Just what I have to do here, just again if config, so that I will get IP address of Metasploitable 2 mission. What is IP address of Metasploitable 2 mission? 10.45.34.49. Now let us write our nmap command. What is this? Let us write the nmap command for ICMP sweep. How can I write? So the command is, what is this command? Nmap. Let me write nmap -pe address of target system. Address of target, IP address of target system. Isn't it? In our case, target is, what is our target here? Target is Metasploitable 2. So the IP address of Metasploitable 2. What is the IP address? IP address, I already discussed. The IP address of Metasploitable 2 is 10.45.34.49. That's what I am giving here. What it says, nmap -pe 10.45.349. This, just see, this is the command, nmap -pe space 10.45.349, 10.45.34.49. Now after this one, just I have to enter, isn't it? Enter. If you enter, what happens? Screen report has to be, I will get screen report. Is it not my screen report? Isn't it? Screen report has been generated. In the first line, it is written that you are not root. So using TCP ping scan rather than ICMP. Just see here, you are not root, using TCP ping scan rather than ICMP, isn't it? So using TCP ping scan rather than ICMP, this means we are not in root terminal. That's the problem here. That's what this warning says. Just see this one. What does it mean? That means we are not in root terminal. That is why the command is not performing ICMP sweep. Rather, it is performing TCP ping sweep. So to perform ICMP sweep scan, first we need root terminal. What we need? We need root terminal. We need root terminal to perform ICMP sweep, isn't it? For root terminal, what you have to do? We already discussed how to get root terminal, isn't it? Just see, it is simple command to now. So the now for root terminal, write. What will you write here? Just say this one. Yes. For root terminal, write sudo space, this I already discussed in my previous lectures. Sudo, then su, then press enter. Just see, sudo space SQ, just enter. If you enter, now what will it ask? It will ask for, just say this one, what will a password for Kali, isn't it? So the password for current user is Kali. What is the password? We say, we know the password. Password is Kali in our case. Now, after entering the password, what will you get? You will get this one. Which one? You will get root terminal, isn't it? So now we got root terminal. We got root terminal. Now you can perform. So from here we can type command and we can perform as we have got root terminal. Now you can perform ICMP sweep. Let us perform ICMP sweep operation in root terminal. How can I perform? What is my command for this one? Just see, nmap -pe space, what is my target system's IP address, that is metasploitable 2 machine IP address 10.4.34.49. So the scanning, just if I type this command, just see, that's what it says. What is that particular command? Just this is a report generated by that particular command. Which command? Nmap -pe, your target system is 10.45.34.49, isn't it? So the scanning report is generated for IP address. For which IP address this scanning report? Just see, nmap scanning report for 10.45.34.49, and it is saying that host is up. Just see, it says, just check this particular message. What it says, host is up. Host is, so the scanning report is generated for IP address 10.45.34.49, and it is saying that host is up. It is also giving some information. What is that information? Some information regarding the ports, like what are the ports here? Regarding the ports, like 977 number of ports are closed. Just see, 977 number of TCP ports. 977 number of ports are closed. Number of ports are closed. Just you can check that particular report. And these many ports are open. Which ports are open? Just check. These are the ports which are open ports, isn't it? Now, what does it mean? So for now, we do not want any information about open or closed ports. So using -SN option, we can stop scanning of ports. How can I stop this scanning of how can I stop this particular? So we do not want any information about open or closed ports. So using -SN option, just let me check. Just see, -nmap. What is this command? Nmap -pe -SN. Your target system is 10.45.34.49. Why we are doing? We can stop. We can stop scanning. We can stop scanning of ports. How can I stop? We can stop scanning of ports by using which option? That option is -SN option. This is -SN option. So let's write the nmap command. What is my nmap command? Nmap -pe -SN IP address of target system, that is metasploitable 2, isn't it? So just see, this is the command, nmap -pe space -SN 10.45.34.49. So this is the scan report of nmap. So it is showing that host is up. Again, just if you observe carefully what it says in report, what it says, host is up, isn't it? and this MAC address, it is also showing MAC address 08 colon 00 colon 27 colon 75 like that. Is it? To check my nmap is report whether the host is up or down. First we can use the reason command. Let me repeat. To check y, to check y, let me say like this, to check y, nmap is reporting, nmap is reporting whether the host is, whether the host is up or down. For this we can use which command? For this you can use reason command. For this you can use reason command. So let us write the reason command along this particular command. I will make use reason command along this nmap -pe space -sn space this particular IP address. How will I write? Just see. This is nmap command. Nmap -pe -sn. This is reason command. Hyphen reason, isn't it? This is what? This is hyphen reason. Hyphen reason, isn't it? Yes. Nmap -pe so let's write the reason command along with previous nmap command. What it is? Nmap -pe -sn space IP address. This is for reason I have to write hyphen 2 times. Just let me repeat it, otherwise this is single hyphen. Single hyphen. This one is, there are 2 hyphens. Hyphen. 2 hyphens means what? Hyphen. Here I must make use, let me repeat, nmap -pe space -sn space 10.45.34.49. Here I have 2 hyphens, means hyphen. Again I have to write hyphen. That's what it says. Hyphen reason. This is a report generated by nmap, and it is saying that the host is up. Just see, it is saying that host is up. Let me repeat, this is a report generated by nmap, and it is saying that host is up because it received ARP response. Just see why it is saying host is up. It is receiving ARP response, isn't it? Yes, which indicates that it host is up because it received ARP response, which indicates that command has not performed ICMP sweep request. Rather it checks on ARP cache, and it is saying that host is up. So this can be again identified by checking the packets which is transferred between host and victim system. For this we can use packet trace command, which will trace all the packets which has been sent from Kali Linux to our Metasploitable 2 mission, and it will also trace packets which is received received from Metasploitable 2 to our Kali Linux. The command is hyphen packet trace. Just see, just let me check with packet trace command. Just see this one. What is this command? What it says? Nmap -pe -sn. Just see here. Nmap. Just I wrote here. Yes, nmap -pe space -sn space. This is our IP address of Metasploitable 2 mission. This is hyphen reason, isn't it? Then I must write hyphen. Here I must make use 2 hyphens. Hyphen. Both 2 hyphens. Hyphen packet. Just see here. Hyphen reason. Here you have 2 hyphens. Then I must write, here you have single hyphen. Only 1 hyphen. Hyphen trace, isn't it? Therefore, the command is hyphen 2 hyphens packet space hyphen trace. So this is the report. This is the report generated, isn't it? This is the report. You can see the report. Just you can check this particular report. So this is a report of Nmap. So from here we can see the first packet which is sent is ARP. Just see what is my first packet. Just you can check this one. Just let me show this one. Just is sent. Yes, ARP who has 10.45.34.49. So first packet which is sent is ARP who has request. So the system is 10.45.33.245 is sending ARP request who has IP address 10 point who has this is 10.45.34.49 is metasploitable to mission IP address. 10.45.33.245 is your Kali Linux IP address, Kali Linux system IP address. So the system 10.45.33.245 is sending ARP request who has IP address 10.45.34.49. Now it got ARP reply. Just see, you can see after send received. Now it got ARP reply that this MAC address, it is also saying MAC address 08 colon 00 08 colon 00 colon some 27 colon 75 colon 27 colon 68 having this IP address. What is that IP address? 10.45.34.49, isn't it? Which has got that IP address, that is metasploitable. MAC address of metasploitable to it's giving, and its IP address also it's giving. Now based on this, it is generating a report that the host is up. To perform ICMP sweep, we have to turn off the ARP scanning. So for this, we can again use one more command along with the given command, along with previous command, disable ARP. How can I write? Just see, disable ARP. Just I'm making use of previous command as it is. Just I'm adding what is this particular command hyphen this is hyphen disable hyphen ARP hyphen ping, isn't it? So along with previous command, I must make you, just see here, just I am using this one. What is this? Just check, double hyphen disable hyphen ARP hyphen ping, isn't it? Here I must make use two hyphens, hyphen again hyphen, isn't it? Just check this one, hyphen disable hyphen ARP ping screen. This is entire that previous command. So this is a report. From here we can see that the packet sent, which is ICMP echo request type 8 packet. Just see here. Just let me show. Just sent ICMP. This is what is that code type is 8. Type packet 8. So this is a report, and from here we can see that packet sent, which is ICMP echo request type 8 packet, which is sent from which address? Sent from 10.45.3. That is Kali Linux. We are sending from Kali Linux. To whom we are sending? We are sending to your metasploitable mission, whose address is 10.45.34.49. Now the next packet, which is received from 10.45.34.10. I will repeat. Now the next packet which is received from 10.45.34.49, that is metasploitable mission IP address, which is echo reply packet. Just see. Just you can check echo reply packet received. Just see echo reply packet. Just see echo reply packet. From which address? From address, oh, I already discussed 10.45.34.49. Yes, from here, from 10.4, from metasploitable to your Kali Linux system, isn't it? So I will repeat now the next packet which is received from 10.45.34.49, which is echo reply packet, ICMP type equal to 0. So it is sending type 8 packet, that we must understand. Sending type 8 packet. Sending type 8 packet, and received type is what is received type? Type is 0. Yes, just check this spelling. Okay. Receive type is 0, isn't it? Which means what does it mean? What does it mean? Host is up, isn't it? Because it received an echo reply packet. So using ICMP sweep, we can identify whether our target host is up or not. Just go through this lecture. If you have any doubt, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.